Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn German, numbers from 0 to 20 with correct pronunciation. These numbers are very important for everyday conversations in German. So let's get started. In German, number is called
Die Zahl.
and numbers is called
Die Zahlen.
German numbers.
Deutsche Zahlen. 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20 20
Now it's time for a quick test. Pause the video, think of the answer, and then play it again to check. What is 5 in German? The answer is
5
what is 12 in German? The answer is
12
what is 8 in German? The answer is
8
what is 0 in German? The answer is
0
what is 20 in German? The answer is
20
great job! How many answers did you get right? Let me know in the comments. If you got all of them right, you are doing amazing. If not, Watch the video one more time and practice. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning German numbers from 1 to 20. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In the next lesson, we will learn German numbers from 21 to 50. Until then,
Tschüss.